Everyone, in this video, we are going to see how we can connect to the Windows server from the Contabo. Okay, so in my case also, I bought the Windows server from the Contabo. As you can see, this is my IP address, this is my username and other details. Okay, and in this video, we will see how exactly we can connect to the RDP or VNC of that particular server. So very first thing you need to do is you need to download the real VNC. Okay, so Real VNC is a VNC client. You can use the VNC Viewer also, but I prefer Real VNC. When you click on the download Real VNC, you get nice download option. Here you can download for the all OS, whatever OS you are using. Okay. So in my case, it is already downloaded and already installed. Okay. So I will open directly. In your case, you need to install it obviously. Okay. So once I open, this is how the UI looks like. Okay. Now you might be thinking that, okay, I will just copy this particular IP address and paste it right there here and it will work. No, it will not work because in case of the Contabo gives different IP address for this server and Contabo gives different IP address for the VNC. So in that case, what you need to do is you need to simply go here, manage and show the VNC information. So this is the basically location where you get the IP address. This is the IP address, and with this IP address is basically different from my VPS IP address. Okay, now I need to copy the port also and paste it here and click enter. So once I do that, I get something like this. Okay, so TCP connect whatever it is and click on the continue. Once you click on the continue, it is asking for the password. Now don't get confused here. This is not Windows password that you set. This is VNC password. VNC password. Okay. Now let me show you where you can get the VNC password. So first thing, you need to close this one and you need to click on the manage one more time and go to the VNC password section right here. Okay. So once you go here, it will show you two input field to create a new VNC password. So in my case, I have already created VNC password. So I will just skip it and I will enter my VNC password. Okay. So once you click on the OK, it should open something like this. Okay. Now this is where we enter our Windows password. Okay. Two different things. VNC password is different. Windows password is different. Okay. Now here where I click, it is not clicking and it is not showing the password page. So what I do is simply I will just take this mouse cursor on the top right here and I will say Control Alt Delete. This is the button, right? I will click on that and it will directly show me the password page. Okay. Now here I will enter the Windows password that I have set while installation. Okay. And now I will press the enter button. Okay. And yeah, that should show you the Windows. Now can you see there is a two things. There is a one dot. Okay. Obviously you need to click on the yes right here. Now you will see there is a little bit mismatch. Okay. Can you see? My mouse dot is different and this cursor is different. So let's say I want to click on this bin. So I cannot because see, can you see my mouse is going out and the cursor is getting stuck. But if I go here and take that closely, then it is working. So basically there is a mismatch. Okay. And how exactly you can solve that particular mismatch and even if you try to copy something, let's say I type here something and I copy this. Okay. And I want to go here on my Contabo VPS and I want to paste that thing. That is also not working, right? So in the next video, I'm going to show you how to fix this particular mismatch stuff. And the second thing, how to enable copy, paste, download, upload files and etc. Basically, I'm going to tell you how to enable all the features. Okay. So thanks for watching. See you in the next video.